Hello and welcome back, everybody, to Fresh from the Trollbox, the BitMEX Trader podcast. This is our episode 19, and as you can see, both Stephan and I have a very strong dragon-themed Zoom background because we are just about to start the Lunar New Year. But before we go there, hi Stephan, how are you and how has your week been?
Hi, Uzi. Well, week has been good progress internally on our end. Trading-wise, good news, but again, slightly boring, I'd say. I mean, we have had the breakout from the resistance, so now we're heading towards 50,000 on Bitcoin. We have a re-established Bitcoin dominance, right? We had a lot of, when you looked at the Bitcoin to ETH trading pair, during the news around the roadmap for ETH, the breakout there, well, basically gone back to the levels before. Inflows, outflows in spot ETFs are pretty stable. Now Grayscale seems to be at a level that is just silent. So we'll see what happens afterwards. You've seen in the BitMEX research posts, actually Bitcoin spot ETFs have made it in the top 10 of the commodities ETFs, which is a big thing if you think about it. That let's say 2 years ago we discussed whether Bitcoin is still there to stay. So I mean, not so much for us as crypto guys, but more for the TradFi guys. I guess they're like, oh, what happened here? I mean, that's basically it. Other than that, a constant move upwards. I would expect that we land Bitcoin probably slightly above 50,000, maybe 52, before we see the next consolidation happening. So at least this is what I do, or how I position myself. Personally, no investment advice, right? Do your own research, but that's my position right now. Pretty long, again, after a short. And then
Better close that one.
more on the Trollbox news gossip side. Well, re-election in El Salvador, so Bitcoin stays legal tender. It's nice.
Yeah, congratulations to Najib for a second term, and I think he stays being an inspiration for some other leaders in the region, right? Argentina, we just wait for the news there when Bitcoin becomes the next legal tender in another country, right? Exciting there. Other than that, I fully agree with you. I think we had basically an obvious breakout after higher highs and lower lows without any breakthroughs on the bottom side. And so it was the right time to try move upwards. Super cool that the ETF within less than 1 month became a top 10 ETF pair, right? So all in all, a positive start of 2024, and with the dragons coming soon, hopefully an even more positive Lunar New Year that will start all. BitMEX, we will host a trading competition. So anybody that's out there keen to trade, the trading competition will start on the 19th of February, themed with the Year of the Dragon to chase the dragon's fortune. And we've got $88,888 up for grabs to the 88 top traders, all double happiness and good fortune. We also invite everybody to invite their friends and refer us, because there is iPads, iPhones up for grabs for our top referrers. So certainly should be an exciting February. And then we hope to have fun while trading. And it's always more fun if the markets drive us all up a little.
Yeah, I guess there is a lot to trade, although Bitcoin is more expectable these days. But I mean, we had episodes before, so just sharing one. I will look pretty closely at ADA right now. I mean, it's an old coin. Actually, it's like, wow, it feels like being there for ages. So it fits me as my physical age. But the interesting thing is there was a lot of action in ADA without really underlying, from my point of view, stuff. I mean, they came out with their roadmap, they had their reports out, so this is good. But especially compared to ETH, a little bit more action, I would say. So maybe if you're in main coins, but then not two main coins, so not Bitcoin and ETH, have a look out there. And other than that, now people know me already. Now you know it's ADA and it's WorldCoin and the two mains. This is basically where I'll look at. I'm looking forward to the trading competition to make some money on those, on the volatility.
Yeah, certainly. And always remember on BitMEX, especially if you trade altcoins, the USDT pairs all have a 1.5 BitMaker rebate. So earn money while trading. It's fantastic.
And even if you don't take a bet, I mean, we haven't spoke about that because it's basically natural, but funding rates have stabilized. So the risk of flipping is pretty low these days because you have clear trends, which means even if there is not high volatility, you can earn quite some money by just playing the funding curve, which is nice.
True. Yeah. Good old base traders back. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, with that, Stephan, Gong Hei Fa Choi, Gong Zi Fa Cai. May you get rich in the year of the dragon.
Yes. Happy year of the dragon. But beware of the Grand Duke.
Right. Happy New Year and
Happy
see you
New
in the new
Year.
year.
Bye-bye.